So hello everybody. So today in theory of computation, my topic is the problem on generating derivation tree. So let's see. First, we need to understand what is the derivation tree. So the derivation tree it is nothing but it is a graphical representation for the derivation of the given production rule for a given context-free grammar. So we have to just do the whatever the context-free grammar is given to us. We just have to present in the graphical manner. So it is a simple way to show how the derivation can be done to obtain the sum string from a given set of production rules. It is also called as the first tree. So the first tree or a derivation tree follows the precedence of the operators. So operators are nothing but the plus, minus, divide, etc. So the deepest subtree traverses first. So the operator in the parent node has the less precedence over the operator in the subtree. Let me tell about the some properties which the first tree contain, or you can say the derivation tree contain. So the first property is where the root node is always a node indicating the start symbol. Here in this example, you can see that this S is the R my root node in this example, and it is a starting symbol which indicates the starting symbol. The derivation is read from the left to right. Suppose this is the derivation tree, and these are the leaf nodes. So how can we read it? So the derivation read it from the left to right. So from the left we have the A, C, B, D. This is how the derivation can be read. The third one is the leaf node is always a terminal node. So the leaf node, whatever the leaf node it has, A, C, B, D is always a terminal nodes. The interior nodes are always the non-terminal nodes. So the interior nodes. So in this we have the A, B and AB. These AB are the interior nodes, which called the non-terminal nodes. So this is the some properties of the first tree. Next we have, suppose if S give us the x1, x2 dot 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 xn is a production rule in the context-free grammar, then the first tree derivation tree will be as follows. So this is a starting symbol which indicates the starting symbol, and this x1, x2 dot 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 xn, these are the leaf nodes. Let's take a simple example. Suppose this is the production rule given to us, and we have to pass this input string. The input string is the A into B plus C, and the production rule we have, E can be substituted by the E plus E, it can be substituted by the E into E, or it can also be substituted by the A, or can be B, or it can be C. So I am doing it by the step by step. You can also do it directly. Means the directly you can draw the derivation tree. So let me explain step by step. So in step 1, we can substitute the E by the E plus E. So I have written is either here E plus E. Now in this step 2, again we can substitute the E by the E into E. So now I have substituted it by E into E. Now in third step, again we can substitute the E by the A. So A, or it can be B, or it can be C. So in step 3, I substituted the E by the A, and in fourth step I substituted the B, and in fifth step I substituted the C. So this is how we can form the derivation tree. So as I'm told you that the derivation tree start from the read from the left to right. So let me read it. So if we go with the if I traverse with left to right, so it will be A into B plus C. So this is the same string which we want to pass. So yes, we can successfully created the derivation tree A into B plus C. So this is how the we can form the derivation tree. Let me take the second example so you can understand better. So in this example, you can see they draw a derivation tree for the string B B A B B from the context-free grammar given by this. So the context-free grammar we have the S give us the B as B as B. S can be substituted by the A or B. So I have so now here I done it by the directly. So you can also go with the step by step. So here. So this, as I mentioned that in my previous slide, that this starting symbol is this. This is the starting symbol, means the root node. So I have started from the S. So you can substitute the S by the BSB. So I have substituted by the replace the S by the BSB. Now this small b and this small b are the terminal nodes. So we don't have to touch it. Now we have to go with the non-terminal nodes with its S. Now. We have substituted the BSB. We have left with the A and B, but But if I go with the A, so I got the B, A, B, which is not the string which we want to drive. So we don't have to take the A. Let's go for the B. If I take the B in at the place of the S, so I will got the B, B, B. So this is again the different string which we want to drive. So again we have to go with the BSB. So I have replaced the S by the BSB again. Now the BSB, the S also can be replaced by the A. So I have replaced the S by the A. So now you can see that we got the B, B, A, B, B. So this is the same string which we want to drive. Suppose let me traverse the tree. So if we go left to right, so we got the B, B, A, B, B. So this is the same string which we have to drive. So this is how we can, draw the derivation tree for a given string or from a given context free grammar. So I hope you understand the concept of the how to form the derivation tree in theory of computation. Thank you.